This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your carrier provides Volte and the plan allows it. Once done, update the Realme 5i system software to the latest build, because carrier features often require current firmware. Next, put a 4G-capable SIM into SIM1 and restart the phone to register on the network. After reboot, open Settings and go straight to SIM and Network to continue the activation process. This prepares the device to show Volte options and prevents common registration failure. Now you enable the feature. In Settings, tap SIM and Network and choose the SIM used for calls. Once selected, toggle the enhanced 4G LTE or Volte switch to on. You may need to accept a carrier prompt, so tap Confirm. Make sure preferred network type is set to 4G/3G/2G auto, so the phone keeps a 4G connection for calls. After toggling, wait a few seconds for the network icon to show Volte. This confirms the handset and network negotiated the service. Finish up by confirming the Volte icon appears near the signal bars. If it does, make a test call to verify call quality. If you don't see the icon, reboot the phone and reinsert the SIM to force re-registration. Should problems persist, contact your carrier to ensure Volte is provisioned on your account, because device settings alone won't help. As a last troubleshooting step, check APN settings or perform a network settings reset. This clears mismatched configurations that can block Volte activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.